Hi everyone, are we live? Hello. Hi kids, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma. I hope I'm perfectly audible and visible to you all. Yes, please let me know in the chat section. Kindly let me know in the chat section. Am I audible and visible to you all? Hi, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. I hope you all are doing very well. Hello. So guys, am I audible, visible? Am I audible, visible? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. See kids, today the session is very easy, interesting and amazing because today we are going to practice the questions, right? We have already covered the living word and biological classification in our NEET Conquer Batch, and today we are going to practice some questions, right? Question practice is equally important as the theory. So first of all, we all should finish the theoretical portion and then we should go for question practice. So this is what we are going to discuss today. So today we will complete the, we will revise the living word and biological classification. So are you people ready for that? Yes, as we committed that in our NEET Conquer Batch, right, we will provide you everything possible. We are doing it. Now it's your turn, kids. You have to be attentive. You have to be sincere. And please follow these marathons properly. We are providing you the quality content. Your NEET paper will come from this part only, right? We are covering everything from your NCERT, everything from your NCERT, right? So start following it sincerely, okay? So tell me, are you people ready? Yes, are you people ready for the question practice? Sure, let me set the timer. See, let me set the timer. So I think 10 seconds are more than sufficient for this particular question. What say? What say? It's biology, it's living word. The chapter is very easy. So here we go. Just answer this question, everyone. Let me put it here. Okay, so answer this question, everyone. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for. Yes. The time is up, time is up, time is up, time is up, time is up. Okay, so the living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for interaction with the environment, reproduction, growth and movement, responsiveness to touch. So according to you, which one should be the correct answer, right? As expected, here many students are confused. Some are saying A, some are saying D. I want one particular answer. And you tell me 10 seconds are more than sufficient or you want 15 seconds? Right? 10 seconds are sufficient or you want 15 seconds or 30 seconds? What do you need? What do you want? What do you want? 10 seconds, hai na? That's more than sufficient. Okay, so here we go, bache. Here the correct answer is this. See, this particular option is covering everything. Don't you think so? This particular option, it is covering everything. It is saying interaction with the environment and evolution as well. So we are taking that property also, the consciousness property, and even the progressive evolution. So here, what is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Any doubt? Yes, bacho, any doubt? Any doubt? Uh-oh, just a minute. So let's start the next question. Just allow me a minute, please. Okay, so the next question is taxonomic hierarchy refers to. Okay, next question is taxonomic hierarchy refers to. So here, what do we need? We need, okay, let's keep it 20. Okay, so I'll give you 20 seconds to solve this particular question. So you can see the options: stepwise arrangement of all the categories for classification of plants and animal, a group of senior taxonomists who decide the nomenclature of plants and animal, a list of botanists or zoologists who have worked on taxonomy of a species or group, and classification of a species based on the fossil record. So here we go, bache. So you guys will get 20 seconds for it. So quickly answer the question. Taxonomic hierarchy refers to. It's an easy question. Yes, kids, it's an easy question. Taxonomic hierarchy refers to. Yes, taxonomic hierarchy refers to. We have completed this particular chapter and I think you all can answer it. Of course, the correct answer here is A, the stepwise arrangement of all the categories for classification of plants and animals, right? We are talking about the hierarchy. You know that taxonomy. In taxonomy is also the branch of biology where we are going to deal with the principles and procedures that will help in the classification, right? That will help in the systematic arrangement of the living organism. And we talk about the hierarchy, different categories. And the highest hierarchy is your kingdom, as per the 5 kingdom classification system. So when it comes to the taxonomic hierarchy, this is the stepwise arrangement of all the categories for classification of plants and animals. So the next question here is, yes, bache, growth and development and functioning of living body is due to. Yes, it is due to. Growth, development and functioning of living body, it is due to. So it is a very easy question. Again, you people will get 10 seconds. So here we go. Yes, here we go. It's easy. Growth, development and functioning of living body is due to. Yes, bache? Yes. So what is the correct answer here? Of course, it is C, that is metabolism. Ultimately, chemical reactions are important for everything in our body. There is no living body which can survive without chemical reactions. Ultimately, there is the interaction of different things, right? Today itself, in our NEET Energized batch, we were discussing this particular question. So you know that if you talk about a single cell, right? You know that so many cells together, right? The aggregate of cell is basically tissue. So many cells together, they will form the tissue. They will form the tissue. Either they have the same origin or they are performing the same duty. So the properties that this tissue will have, that properties are entirely different from the cell, right? Although this particular cell is making the tissue, but still the properties here in this tissue is completely different from the properties of the cell, because ultimately here in tissue, all these cells, they are interacting and we are getting certain properties. So ultimately it's all about the interaction. Ultimately it's all about the chemical reactions which are going on in our body, isn't it, bache? So yes, growth, development and functioning of living body is because of the metabolism. So metabolism and living organism, we consider these two things as synonym, having the same meaning. Clear, bache? So the next question here is, yes, the next question here is system of classification used by Linnaeus. Again, a very easy question. So here we go. System of classification used by Linnaeus. Yes, bacho, system of classification used by Linnaeus. Very easy it is. I cannot see the answers. Only few students are, right? Only few students are answering it. Why is it so? System of classification used by Linnaeus is the artificial system, isn't it? It is the artificial system, isn't it? Linnaeus, who has given the 2 kingdom classification system, he is the father of taxonomy. So he used the artificial system of classification. So can you tell me, what do we consider in the artificial system? Yes, anyone here in the class, what do we consider in the artificial system? Kids, be quick. What do we consider in the artificial system? That's homework for you. Right, that's your homework. You guys are going to check it. So here we go. The next question is again very easy. Phylogeny refers to. So here we go. 10 seconds are more than sufficient for answering this particular question. We have to increase our speeds, bache, right? We have to finish our NEET exam on time. So obviously you should set the timer while solving the question. So what should be the correct answer here? What should be the correct answer here? Again, it's very easy. Phylogenic means evolutionary relationship. So here we are talking about the evolutionary history, not the evolutionary classification, because they are talking about phylogeny. It's phylogeny, right? So evolutionary history it is, right? And even you can also relate it with your class 12th. Remember, ontogeny repeats phylogeny. Yes, kids, do you remember this? Ontogeny repeats phylogeny. Ontogeny is the developmental history and phylogeny is the evolutionary history. So it is the developmental history and phylogeny is what? It is the evolutionary history. Right, bache? It is the evolutionary history. So that is what we have studied already, isn't it? Isn't it? So here we go. The next question is, yes. The wild animals are kept in protected environment in Wild animals, they are kept in protected environment in. Again, a very easy question, bachcho. So you guys are getting 15 seconds, right? So here we go. Wild animals are kept in protected environment in. Yes, in. Of course, it's very, very, very easy. So what is the correct answer here? Zoological park. So this is the in situ or ex situ mode of conservation. Zoological park. What is it? In situ mode of conservation or ex situ mode of conservation? What is it? In situ or ex situ? I want to see the answer. I want to see the answer. Exactly. So it is the ex situ mode of conservation, that is off-site conservation. Right? Animals will not live in their natural environment. They will live in a protected environment where they will get everything. So it is the ex situ, right, conservation. Now the next is Royal Botanical Garden is located in. Again easy. Royal Botanical Garden is located in. I don't think that you even need the timer for solving it, right? Royal Botanical Garden is located in. Yes, kids. Yes, all of you. See, all of you, please answer the question. And if you're new to our channel, do hit the like button. Do subscribe our channel, kids. Do subscribe our channel. Okay. So, what is the correct answer? It's Q, England. Royal Botanical Garden, and even you will find the herbarium there. Okay, herbarium there. So the next is largest herbarium of India is at. Largest herbarium. We have even discussed it in our classes. Isn't it? Isn't it? In our lecture also we have discussed. So I'm going to start the timer. Here we go. Yes, everyone. Here we go. And please, whenever you practice the question, just practice the question with the timer always, right? Let's say today you are going to practice 100 questions or 60 questions, whatever it is. Accordingly divide the duration. That in 30 minutes I will finish that number of questions. In 40 minutes I will finish that number of questions. Okay. So largest herbarium of India is at. Largest herbarium of India is at. It's quite easy. Indian Botanical. Right, out of all the options given here, it is Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah. Okay, isn't it? But a largest herbarium is the word. Largest herbarium is the word. Good afternoon, bache. Good afternoon. The word is largest herbarium in India. Okay. So largest herbarium in India. This is what they are asking. Done. So the next is total number of species that are known and described in ranges between. Okay. Total number of species that are known and described in ranges between. So you can use your class 11th NCERT to answer this. Okay. Yes. Total number of species that are known and described in ranges between. Quick, 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 quick. Time over, time over, time over. So we know the answer. It's 1.7 to 1.8 million species. I know, kids, right? Overall, it can be confusing for you because as per your class 12th NCERT, more than 1.5 million species are there, isn't it? More than 1.5 million species are there. So if I use this data, I can keep it like this also, right? So here, whenever there is a confusion, so just remember the direct line which is given in your book, which is given in your NCERT. So this is the direct line which is given in your NCERT in your book. So correct answer is 1.7 to 1.8 million. So now the next is which is not correct hierarchical arrangement. This is what you have to tell. Which one is not correct hierarchical arrangement? So I'm giving you 15 seconds to answer this question. Yes, you people will get 15 seconds. So answer this question, which is not correct hierarchical arrangement. I think you know the trick, isn't it? Isn't it? I think you all know the trick. Quickly answer it, which is not correct hierarchical arrangement. The time is over, bache. The time is over, time is over, time is over. So here you can see it's keep pot clean or family gets sick, isn't it? It's keep pot clean or family, right, gets sick. This is the trick. So you know the correct answer here, isn't it? You know the correct answer here, that first of all there will be kingdom, then there will be phylum, then there will be class, then comes the order, then comes the family, then we have genus, and of course the species. So now just look at the sequence here, class, family, genus. Is it so? Okay, phylum, then order, then family. Is it possible? Firstly phylum, then order, then family. Class, order, family. Of course. Not okay. You have to tell incorrect. Okay, incorrect. So incorrect is family, then comes the class, then comes the order. No, it's possible that after class, after order, there is family and then genus. So this sequence is right. So phylum, then there is the class, then order, then family. This sequence is right. Even here also PCO, class, order and family is right. So D is the incorrect answer. It means it is the correct answer. So see, you can see it. Even I was about to answer the correct hierarchical arrangement, right? So please read the question twice before marking the answer. Okay, read the question twice before marking the answer. So here we go, bache. Next question. Which one of the following animal is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomical category? Right, here we go. Again 15 seconds. You guys can answer it. Thank you, bache. Sudarshanam. Be regular, be consistent. Do not miss any lecture, bache. First of all, answer this question and then, we will chit chat. We will discuss other things. Quick. Which one of the following animal is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomical category? So, bache, exactly. See, humans, primata, the family. Primata, no, it is not the family. Housefly, musca. Musca is not an order. Musca is the genus. Tiger, tigris. Tigris is the species. Okay. Cuttlefish is a mollusca. No doubt, mollusca is not a class. Mollusca is the second largest phylum in the animal kingdom. So correct answer here is C, that yes, tiger, tigris is the species in the case of tiger. You are right. Tigris is the species in the case of tiger. Okay. Next question. The category which includes related families. The category which includes related families. Yes, bacha log. The category which includes related family. Yes. Yes. Related families. Oh, I forgot to start the timer. Of course, I want to see maximum answers here. Related families. Again, focus on that trick. KP, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Isn't it? This is what you people need to focus. So you have to tell the category which will include related families. So obviously the answer here should be what? Order. Okay. Answer here should be what? Order. So order will have related families. Class will have related orders. Phylum will have related classes, like this. Okay. Like this. So the next question. Couplet represents the choice made between two opposite options which results in. Right. Couplet represents the choice, right, made between two opposite options which results in. Here we go, bache. Quick. The word is couplet. So firstly, you should know from where we are getting this question. That's more than sufficient. I can see many students are even answering. Right, many students are even answering. But you see, this question is from taxonomical aid, and that taxonomical aid is key. Key is an artificial analytical device. What is key? Key is an artificial analytical device. And how do we use it? We basically use it to identify the organism, their class, their order, like this. So here in the key, we will be having some set of statements. Okay, some set of statements will be there. I always consider it like a treasure hunt. Like I got one organism, I will check its character, I will relate it, I will check. Okay, let's say there is an organism here present. Alright, so in the key, you will be having characters like this. Here present, here absent. Skin smooth, skin dry. Right, glands present, glands absent. Maybe like this. So whenever it is the couplet means you are considering two statements. What are you considering? You are considering two statements here in a couplet. First point. Secondly, these two statements, they are having the contrasting characters. It will be having what? It will be having the contrasting character. Contrasting character as in, like, as I said, here present, right? Here absent, here present, here absent. So this is a couplet. So obviously you will look at that organism, you will be like here present. Okay, then you will check the next statement, right? So out of these two, you will go for one only. So correct answer here is acceptance of only one, rejection of the another. Rejection of the another. And each statement here, right, in that couplet, each statement is known as lead, right? Each statement is known as lead. Clear, bache? So the next question, which of the following taxonomic category of housefly is incorrectly matched? So here we go. Which of the following taxonomic category of a housefly is incorrectly matched? Yes, bache, it's incorrectly matched. Quick, incorrectly matched. Yes, of course. Genus is Musca. Yes. Family Massidae. Yes. Order is Primata. No. It is in the case of your mammals. So class is correct. Class is Insecta. Right? Class is Insecta. That is housefly. Okay. The next question is X being higher category in the assemblage of families. Read the question carefully. Then I'll start the timer. X being a higher category is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few Y characters. Okay, the Z characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in a family. Identify X, Y and Z, and this time you people will get 30 seconds from my end. Okay, so answer it. You guys will get 30 seconds. The hint is there in the first statement itself. Yes, what should be the correct answer? Kids, what should be the correct answer? It's quite easy. It's quite easy. You guys can see here, right? Of course it is there. See, in first statement, there is the hint that X being a higher category, it is the assemblage of family. So you know that kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. So order is having the assemblage of families. Oh, right. Related families are collected there in order. So obviously you can cancel all other options, right? You got it? You can cancel all other options. You can use the elimination method here. So why? So see, X being means order being a higher category is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters, and the similar characters are less in number as compared to the different genera included in a family. That's all. Clear, bache? So the next question, which one of the taxonomic aids can give comprehensive account of complete compiled information of only one genus or family at a time? The focus, you have to focus on this word, one genus, one family at a time, and you guys will get 15 seconds to answer the question. Go for it. You people will get 15 seconds to answer the question. Again, the hint is there in the statement. Yes, bacho, hint is there in the statement. So, what is the correct answer here? Of course, monograph. Why monograph? Because monograph is a taxonomical aid which will have the information of only one, right? Only one category, right? Only one. Like let's say there is a monograph of family Liliaceae. It will have all the information related to family Liliaceae. Okay. So here in the question they have given that complete compiled information of only one, of any one genus or family at a particular time. Okay, next question. Which one of the following animal is correctly matched with its particularly named taxonomic category? That we have already solved. C. Okay, the next question. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Okay, it is not a correct statement. Let me fix it here. A museum has collection of photographs of plant and animal. Key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. Herbarium houses dried, pressed and preserved plants. Only plants is written here, plant specimen. Botanical gardens have collection of living plants. Botanical gardens, they are having the living plants for the reference. Okay, so what should be the correct answer? Again easy. Again easy. You have to find out the incorrect statement. All of you answer the question. Yes, everyone. All of you answer the question. You have to find out the incorrect statement here. So if you have to find out the incorrect statement, so obviously A is the correct answer, right? It is the A which is the correct answer, isn't it? Isn't it? Because in the museum, you will not have the collection of photographs. Photographs are not there at least. Okay. So the next is which taxonomical category of housefly? Arey, it's again a repeated question. Okay. So herbarium sheets have information about. Yes, herbarium sheets, they are having the information about. Right now, we don't need the timer. So, date and place of collection, English, local and botanical name, family, collector name. Time and place of collection, English, local and botanical name, phylum or collector's name. Date and time, English, local, botanical, class, collector. And date, English, local, botanical, order, collector. So, what should be the correct answer? Guys, be quick. Quick, all of you. Yes, you guys can answer the question. We have practiced it in the class itself and it's a repeated question for the NEET examination. So what should be the correct answer here? Again, you're right. Here, the correct answer is A. Date and place of collection along with the English name, local name. For local name, we also use the word vernacular. Right? We also use the word vernacular and botanical name, family, collector's name is there. Okay? Okay, next question. ICBN stands for, very easy. Yes, ICBN stands for, what is ICBN? It's very simple here, right? It's very simple. Of course, it is the International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. It is the International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Next question, binomial nomenclature means. Binomial nomenclature means. Yes, bache, binomial nomenclature means. Quick. What is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? Yes. Very easy it is. You are talking about the binomial nomenclature. You're talking about the binomial nomenclature. So, bi means two names, isn't it? So, one is your generic name, that is your genus name, and second one is your species name, that is your specific epithet, right? That is your specific epithet. Clear, bache? So, it's B which is the correct answer. Now, the next question. Which one of the following shows the correct example of taxonomic category genus? Yes, which one of the following shows the correct example of taxonomic category genus? Yes, correct example of genus you have to mention. Genus is the word here, right? Genus is the word here. Quick. Quick, bache. So, potato, tomato, brinjal, they all belong to Solanum. Yes. See, monkey, gorilla, gibbon, they are placed in, yes, they are placed in Mammalia. So, they are asking about the genus. So, monkey, gorilla and gibbon. Seriously, they all are in mammals. First of all, check it. And Solanum, petunia and datura, they all are placed in Solanaceae. Mangifera, Solanum tuberosum, Panthera. Obviously not. So here the correct example is potato, tomato and brinjal, the direct answer. So Rattus rattus is a scientific name which is an example of, yes, Rattus rattus, it is a scientific name which is an example of, quick bache, Rattus rattus, it's a scientific name which is an example of exactly tautonyms. And tautonyms are there in case of animals, right? In the case of plants, tautonyms are not there. In the case of plants, while naming the plants, we do not use tautonyms. So what is the meaning of tautonym? Having same genus and species name. Okay, having same genus and species name. Clear, bache Priyanka? Next question. Given below is the botanical name of mango. Mark the option in which name is correctly written. It's a PYQ. See, it's a very simple question and it's a previous year question. Okay, it's a very simple question. It's basically a previous year question. So, given below is the botanical name of mango. Mark the option in which name is correctly written. Yes. So, it's B. No, it's D. So Mangifera indica. See bache, look at it. Here the I is capital. Incorrect. Although it is in italics. Here it is not even underlined, not even in italics. Okay, so it is not correct. Mangifera indica. Again I is capital here. Cancel it. So Mangifera indica. It is proper. There is a proper space in Mangifera indica. It is written in italics. Okay, next question. If an organism is in the same class but not in the same family, so it belongs to same. It is in a same class, but it doesn't belong to a same family. But it doesn't belong to a same family. But the class is same, kids. Very easy it is. Class is same. Yes, please answer the question. Quick, please answer the question. If any organism is in the same class but not in the same family, it's very easy. It's very easy. Correct. It is the order. Just have a look here, bache. So see, class is same. Family, order. So order is the assemblage of related families. Class is the assemblage of related orders. So maybe they are in same family but not in the same order, right? But the class will ultimately be same. Simple. Next question. Binomial nomenclature was given by. Yes. Binomial nomenclature was given by. Very good. Carl Linnaeus. Right? Carl Linnaeus. Okay, he's also known as the father of taxonomy. Next question. The label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on. The label of herbarium sheet, it does not carry information on. It does not carry information on. The label of herbarium sheet, it does not carry information on. Exactly, height of plant. Height of plant is not mentioned on the herbarium sheet. Okay, so as we go from kingdom to species, number of common character goes on. As we go from kingdom to species, number of common character they goes on. Yes, the number of common character they goes on. Yes, everyone, exactly. Kingdom to species, common characters, it's increasing. Oh. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, then comes the genus, and finally the species. Kids, it's very simple. It's literally very simple. When you move from kingdom to species, you will see more similarity and less general characters. Like if let's say the kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Arthropoda. So now you know that Arthropoda, they will be having the jointed legs, isn't it? Pair of jointed appendages, pair of legs will be there, right? So let's say the class is Insecta, obviously, right? Now when you are going down so obviously you will find more similar character. So similarities will increase, common characters will increase, but the general characters will decrease. Okay, general characters, they will decrease. So they are asking the common characters. If instead of common characters, if they ask general character, then they will decrease. But common characters are increasing. So got it? Next question. Scientific name of animals are based on the principles and criteria agreed by. Scientific name of animals are based on the principles and criteria agreed by. Yes, bacho. Quick. Scientific name of animals are based on the principles and criteria agreed by. Ovia, seriously. Bache, it's simple. It's ICZN. Okay. It's ICZN. For zoology, it's ICZN. For botany, it's ICBN. Next, which genus includes cat? The word is genus now. Which genus includes cat? The word is genus. Focus on the word. The word is genus. Which genus includes cat? It's cat. Genus is Felis. It's family, bache. Here they are talking about the genus. So genus will be Felis. Genus is Felis. Canis is for dogs. Next, two kingdom classification, distinguished living organisms into. Two kingdom classification, distinguished living organisms into. Guys, you can answer it. Now we are practicing the questions from the biological classification. So all of you kindly answer it. two kingdom classification distinguished living organisms into. Too easy it is. And do mention the name of the scientist who has given the two kingdom classification system. Yes, you know the correct answer. You people know the correct answer. So here the correct answer is two kingdom classification system. So there will be kingdom Plantae, there will be kingdom Animalia. So it was given by your Carl Linnaeus, right? Who gave it? Carolus Linnaeus. Next, which one of the following is not a criteria in five kingdom classification system? Which one of the following is not a criteria in five kingdom classification system? Yes, in five kingdom classification system, which one is not a criteria here? Yes, it's too easy. All of you please answer it. It's too easy. Of course, morphological characters are not considered. Morphological characters, outer form, these characters are not considered. The cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, even the phylogenetic relationships, such characters were considered in the five kingdom classification system given by R.H. Whitaker. Okay, so next question, bache, earlier classification system was rejected because it brought together. Earlier classification system, it was rejected because it brought together. Yes, because it brought together. It brought together everyone, please answer the question. Guys, quickly answer the question. Practice sessions are important. Then only you got to know that whether you have understood the things or not. So, yes, correct answer is all of above. Earlier classification systems, they were rejected because they placed unicellular and multicellular together. Autotrophs, phototrophs, which can make their own food, right? They are dependent on light. Heterotrophs, dependent on, right? Heterotrophs, you know that they cannot make their own food. Prokaryotes, eukaryotes, all together. So that is why the correct answer here is D. Now the next question, the reason why bacteria lack alternation of generation is. What is the reason, right? That why bacteria lack alternation of generation? Yes, alternation of generation. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of alternation and generation. Good afternoon, Yuva. Yes, bacho, what is the meaning of alternation of generation? First of all, you should know it. So what should be the correct answer here? Why in bacteria? They are clearly specifying that in the case of bacteria, alternation of generation is missing. Right? Alternation of generation is missing. So what is the correct answer? All of you, what is the correct answer? Of course, it is B. Right? Alternation of generation means bache, sometimes sexual generation, sometimes asexual generation, sometimes sexual generation, sometimes asexual generation. So such type of things are missing in the case of life cycle of bacteria. Right? Right. So there is neither syngamy nor reductional division, that is your meiosis in the case of bacteria, even it is absent. Okay, that is why the correct answer here is B. So the next question, the primitive prokaryotes which are responsible for production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals. Yes, the primitive prokaryotes which are responsible for production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals, they include, yes bache, they include all of you, they include yes, it includes, of course, methanogens. And methanogen is what? Methanogen is archaebacteria. Methanogen is what? It is archaebacteria. Okay, it is the ancient bacteria which can survive in the harsh conditions. And methanogens, they are anaerobic, right? They don't need oxygen. They are anaerobic, obligate anaerobes they are. So you have the example of methanobacterium and there are many other examples also. So what will they do? Right, what will they do? They are present in dung. So ultimately they will form the biogas, which is also known as dung gas. So that gas is basically carbon dioxide, your methane or your H2S. Right, so that gas is having carbon dioxide, methane and H2S. Clear? Clear? So the next question, pick up the wrong statement. Which one is the wrong statement? Just pick up the wrong statement. Diatoms are the chief producers in the oceans. Diatoms are microscopic, float passively in the water currents. Walls of diatoms are destructible. Diatomaceous earth is formed by cell walls of diatoms. So you have to pick up the incorrect statement here. Yes, bacho. What do you have to pick up? You have to pick up the incorrect statement here. Incorrect statement. Of course, diatoms are the chief producers in oceans. Yes. So it is also the example of photosynthetic protist, isn't it? It is the example of photosynthetic protist. The protista which can perform photosynthesis. They are microscopic and float passively. Yes, they float passively in the water current. That is why we use the word plankton. Walls of diatoms are bache indestructible. And why is it so? Why is it so? Because of the presence of silica. Right, and they will form diatomaceous earth at the bottom of that sea. Diatomaceous earth, which is also known as diatomite and kieselguhr. Okay, kieselguhr. Okay, so wrong statement here is C. Fine, it's C. Okay, now the next question, which of the following includes saprophytic protist? Very easy it is. Which of the following include saprophytic protist? Saprophytes, basically you have to tell. Saprophytic protistans. Saprophyte. Yes. So what is the meaning of saprophyte? Which feeds on dead and decaying organic matter. Right. Which feeds on dead and decaying organic matter. Okay. So slime mold is the answer. And you know that slime mold is having similarity like fungi, algae, fungi, plants and animals. Right? Slime molds. Remember? And do you remember the sequence here in Kingdom Protista? There is a trick for that, na? It's CDESP. What is it? It is CDESP, chrysophyte, dinoflagellate, euglenoid, slime mold, protozoa. What is the trick for Kingdom Protista? That's CDESP, CDESP, CDESP. Chrysophyte, dinoflagellate, euglenoid, slime mold, protozoa. Chrysophyte, dinoflagellate, euglenoid, slime mold, protozoa. That is how you have to remember in one sequence. Okay. Okay. So slime mold, saprophytes they are. They do not have the chlorophyll, cannot perform the photosynthesis, feeds on dead and decaying organic matter. Right. So you know that they are going to form the aggregates. For that aggregates, we use the word plasmodium. Right, and under an unfavorable condition, what will they do? They will form the sporangium in which spore will form. So what is the important property here in the case of slime mold? Like when you talk about the somatic cell, it will be without cell wall, right? Somatic cell is without cell wall, animal-like property. Secondly, here we will see the fruiting bodies like sporangium in which spores will form. It's a fungus-like property, clear bache? And plant-like property is the spores are having thick cell wall. Right, spores are having thick cell wall which will protect it in unfavorable conditions. Clear, bache? Done. So this is a free living aerobic non-photosynthetic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Great. I have shared the examples with you. You have to tell us the example which is a free living. Say it's free living means not in symbiotic relationship. Aerobic, it is going to utilize the oxygen. It is non-photosynthetic, not performing the photosynthesis, but can fix the nitrogen. But can fix the nitrogen. Bache, the word is non-photosynthetic. The word is non-photosynthetic. The word is non-photosynthetic. So the correct answer here is azotobacter. Because it is non-photosynthetic. Nostoc is photosynthetic. It is non-photosynthetic, free living and nitrogen fixing. So this is the example here. Okay. Next question. Photosynthetic bacteria have pigments in. Okay. Photosynthetic bacteria, they have pigments in. Yes, bacho. Photosynthetic bacteria, they have pigments in. Yes, they have pigments in. Where do they have pigments? That is a photosynthetic bacteria. Of course, pigment, color, chroma. So it is there in the chromatophore and even in some photosynthetic bacteria. I hope you all have seen, right? I hope you all have seen some structures like this, some thylakoid-like structure. Some thylakoid-like structure. Okay, so next question, difference in gram-positive and negative bacteria is due to? Yes, bachcho, the difference in gram-negative and positive bacteria is due to? The difference in gram-positive and the negative bacteria is due to? Yes, bache, it is due to? Shweta, bache, we will take it on Menti, but not today, maybe some another day. Actually, in Menti, it takes a lot of time. So I think we should save the time and we should practice more questions. Ma'am, I'm a repeater. Bache, this NEET Conquer Batch is for the repeater, for class 11 student, for 12 student. Just have a look of that lectures, you will get to know about it. So what is the correct answer here? The difference in gram-positive and negative bacteria is because of cell wall, isn't it? It is because of cell wall. In the case of gram-positive bacteria, the cell wall is quite thick. Right, and you know that in gram-positive bacteria, teichoic acid is present. What is present there? Teichoic acid is present. And when it is the gram-negative bacteria, bache, the cell wall is thin and moreover the cell wall is having an outer envelope of lipid layer. Right, outer envelope of lipid layer. Clear, bache? Next question. This statement about mycoplasma is incorrect. You have to tell us the incorrect statement. Quick, guys. Quick. Speed up. The statement about mycoplasma is incorrect. Mycoplasma, something very important. Answer the question quickly. Thank you so much, bache Amrose. Answer the question now. The statement about mycoplasma is incorrect. The incorrect statement we need to answer. So what should be the correct answer? Are they sensitive to penicillin? They are pleomorphic. They cause disease in plants. They are also called PPLO. Yes, let me explain this. But first of all, see, you should note down these points. When you people talk about the mycoplasma, what are they? They are the only bacteria without cell wall. They are the only bacteria without cell wall, first point. So if there is no cell wall, there will be different shapes. Cell wall is not there, there will be different shapes, right? So different shapes means pleomorphism will be there, right? Pleomorphism will be there, having different shapes. Pleomorphism is there. So that is why we even call them as jokers of plant kingdom or jokers of microbiological park. Earlier they were placed in plant kingdom, so even we call it as jokers of plant kingdom or jokers of microbiological park. Clear, bache? Clear? So you know that they can even survive. They can even survive in oxygen-less conditions. So we can say that they are facultative anaerobes. They are facultative anaerobes because they can even survive in oxygen-less conditions. So now in the mycoplasma, the cell wall is not there. And when you talk about this antibiotic penicillin, it acts on cell wall. Penicillin acts on what? Penicillin acts on cell wall. So if there is no cell wall, so obviously penicillin cannot cause any harm to the mycoplasma. That is why A is the correct answer. Clear? That is why A is the correct answer, and rest all the points are correct, that they are pleomorphic, they cause disease in plants, they are also called PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia-like organism, and you know that it is the smallest organism, 0.1 micrometer. Next question. Maximum nutritional diversity as found in the group. Nutritional diversity is maximum there, right? There are different way to get the nutrition. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in. It is found in. It's quite easy. Yes, everyone. It's quite easy. Maximum nutritional diversity found in the group. Of course, it is the Monera. Remember in Monera, we discussed so many things like autotrophic, heterotrophic. In autotrophic, some are photoautotrophic, some are chemophotoautotrophic, some are non-photosynthetic, photosynthetic. There are different examples, right? So that is why here the correct answer is kingdom Monera, where bacteria is the sole member. Okay. Next question. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in? Again easy. Single cell eukaryotes are included in? Single-celled eukaryotes are included in. Yes, it is in kingdom Protista. Very easy question. So membrane-bound organelles are absent in. Yes, bacho. Membrane-bound organelles, they are absent in. Membrane-bound organelles, they are absent in. Quick, bache. Yes, you can give. Yes, you know the answer. Membrane-bound organelles. All of you, be quick. Membrane-bound organelles, they are absent in. Some are saying A, some are saying B, some are saying C. What are you people doing? What are you doing? One answer. Bache, C, membrane-bound organelles are absent in prokaryotes. Right? They are absent in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means bacteria. Saccharomyces means yeast, which is a fungus, which is again having eukaryotic cell. Chlamydomonas, again, where do you place it? Chlamydomonas, so many chlamydomonas together, they are also forming what? They are forming volvox. We place it in kingdom Protista. So obviously it is also eukaryote. Plasmodium, it is also there in the sporozones in the kingdom Protista. It is also a eukaryote. Now Streptococcus, from this coccus word you people should judge, na? Coccus means spherical shaped bacteria. So it's a bacteria. So bacteria is a prokaryotic cell. It is not having the membrane bound organelles. It is not having the membrane bound organelles. Next question. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as. The cyanobacteria, they are also referred to as. They are also referred to as cyanobacteria. Yes, it is also known as photosynthetic bacteria or blue-green algae. Right? Photosynthetic bacteria or blue-green algae. Protestant genome has free nucleic acid aggregates, membrane-bound nucleoprotein embedded in the cytoplasm, gene containing nucleoprotein condensed together in a loose mass, nucleoprotein in direct contact with cell substance. Protestant genome. Protestant genome. The word is Protestant genome. Read the question carefully. Yes, bache, read the question carefully. Protestant genome has. Protestant genome has. Of course, Protista means you are talking about eukaryotes. Okay, so free nucleic acid aggregates, no. Membrane bound nucleoproteins which are embedded in cytoplasm, it's a direct answer. So nucleoprotein in direct contact with cell substance, no. Genes which contain nucleoproteins, of course not. Genes are containing nucleoprotein which are condensed together in a loose mass. No, it's not like that. So this B is explaining everything. Okay, so next is protist that reproduce both by binary fission and the conjugation. Protista that reproduce both by binary fission and conjugation. Right, that reproduce both by binary fission and conjugation. So what should be the correct answer here? Tell me. Protista that reproduce both by binary fission and conjugation. So obviously it is paramecium, right? What will be the correct answer here? It will be paramecium. Okay, what is the correct answer? It is paramecium. Clear? Clear? So binary fission is also there, conjugation is also there. And remember, here in the question they are mentioning the word protista. Focus here. Next, A few Protista possess structures to regulate their water content. They are. Few Protista, they possess structure that regulate their water content. They are. Yes, bache. To regulate the water content. Quick. To regulate the water content. So the correct answer is contractile vacuole. Like, let's take the example of amoeba. Amoeba is a freshwater protestant, right? So it is having the contractile vacuole, which will regulate the salt and the water concentration. That's all. Next question is the cell walls. They form two thin overlapping shells in which groups such that they fit together. What would be the answer here? Euglenoids, dinoflagellates, slime mold, chrysophyte. The cell wall form two thin overlapping shells in which group of organisms such that they fit together. Of course, it is chrysophyte. So chrysophyte, it includes your diatoms and desmites. So in the case of diatoms, this is what we discussed now. It is just like a soap box, right? So here we have epitheca and we have hypotheca, right? We have epitheca, we have hypotheca. Clear, bache? And these cell walls are having silica. These cell walls are having silica. Is that clear? So in dinoflagellates, the reserve food is. In dinoflagellates, the reserve food is. In dinoflagellates, the reserve food is fucoxanthin, starch, alginic acid, or mannitol. Tell me about the reserve food in the case of dinoflagellates. Reserve food in the case of dinoflagellates. Quick, bache. So, of course, it is the starch. Clear? Next, this fungi division includes club fungi. This fungi division, it includes club fungi. So, club fungi, they are, yes, bache, club fungi, they are, exactly. So, club fungi is Basidiomycetes, which is quite advanced fungi. They are very good decomposers. Okay, your mushrooms are there in the Basidiomycetes. Next question, the group is used to represent pathological fungi. Right, this group is used to represent pathological fungi. Yes. This group is used to represent pathological fungi. Penicillium, truffles, mushrooms and morels, smut, rust and molds, yeah, all of above. Pathological means disease causing fungi. Of course, the correct answer here is C, smut, rust and molds. Smut, rust and molds. Clear, bache? Next question, which of the following component provides the sticky character to all the bacterial cells? Which of the following component provides a sticky character to all the bacterial cells? Yes. Sticky character to all the bacterial cells. It's glycocalyx, of course, bache. So glycocalyx is having what? It is having the capsule, if it is solid, thick and slime layer. Right, slime layer. If it is slimy, loose. Right, sticky. Clear? So it is the glycocalyx. It is the glycocalyx, and glycocalyx is also known as cell coat. It is the outermost covering in the case of bacteria. Okay, it is the outermost covering in the case of bacteria. Next, the imperfect fungi, which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling, they belong to. So imperfect fungi is the keyword here. Right, imperfect fungi is the keyword here. The imperfect fungi, which are the decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling, they belongs to Deuteromycetes, right? And why do we call it as imperfect fungi? Because there is no sexual stage, only asexual stages are there, right? Only asexual stages are present. Sexual stages are not there. Okay, are not there. Clear? So the fungi which derive their food directly from dead organic matters are known as the fungi which derive their food directly from dead organic matter. They are known as, yes, the fungi which derive their food directly from dead organic matter. They are known as, of course, it is very easy. Yes, they are the decomposers. Right? They are the decomposers. Okay, the next question. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? They are eukaryotic. They possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. They are heterotrophs. They are both unicellular and multicellular. So you have to find out the incorrect statement, the wrong statement. Yes, bachcho. You need to find out the incorrect statement, the wrong statement. Quick. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? Exactly. All fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. No, their cell wall is chitinous. It is made up of chitin. Chitin is known as the fungal cellulose. It is the chitin which is known as the fungal cellulose. Still, but we have the example of the fungi in which cell wall is cellulosic. It will include the members of your Phycomycetes. So in your class Phycomycetes of the fungi, there are certain members in which the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. Okay, but overall in majority of fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin. Is that clear? Okay, the next question, which of these entities is an indicator of SO2 pollution of air? Yes, which of these entities, they are an indicator of SO2 pollution of air? Quick. SO2 pollution of air. Yes, bache. They are SO2 pollution of air. So of course it is the lichen. Lichen is the pollution indicator. It cannot grow in an area where sulfur pollution is dominating. Okay. So it is a pollution indicator. Clear, bache? So the next question, what does the perfect stage of a fungus indicate? Yes, what does the perfect stage of a fungus indicate? The word is perfect stage. Yes, everyone. Perfect stage. Yes, Amrose, Karshia, Ovia, Avdika. Bachcho, perfect stage means it can reproduce sexually. Imperfect stage means only asexual stages are there, sexual stage is not there. So if we are using the word perfect stage, so it means sexual stages are there, asexual stages are not there. Okay, next question. The virus for the first time was synthesized in the form of non-living crystals in pox virus, flu virus, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus or bacteriophage. Yes. The virus for the first time was synthesized in the form of non-living form. Crystal is exactly, it's TMB, tobacco mosaic virus, and bache, it is a RNA virus. It is a RNA virus, isn't it? Next question. Viruses that attack bacteria are called. Viruses that attack bacteria are called. Viruses that are going to attack the bacteria. Yes, bacho. They are going to attack the bacteria. Very simple. It's bacteriophage. What is it? It's bacteriophage. Right? The virus which attack the bacteria. So it's a kind of hyperparasite because it is a parasitic on parasite. It is parasitic on a parasite. Okay. So that's it. That's all. Right? So I hope you enjoyed this session, bache. So after every marathon, you people will get sessions like this where we are going to practice the question. Okay, right? So tomorrow I am going to take another marathon on plant kingdom. I'll try my best to finish it in one lecture, but here, bache, we do not have that agenda to just finish the syllabus. We want you people to understand that, right? So we will maintain a proper pace so that you all can understand that particular lecture. So although I will try to finish it in, one marathon, but yes, there can be two parts also. In first part, we will start with the life cycle. We will finish algae and bryo. Okay. And in the next part, we can go for the pteridophytes, gymno and ingeo. Right? right? So plant kingdom, again a very important topic, and you guys can expect 2 to 4 questions from this particular chapter. Done. So tomorrow at 6 p.m. I will take the class. So do join that marathon, and after finishing this particular chapter, again we will go for the question practice. Fine. So if you have checked the lectures of biological classification, living world, very good. Otherwise, please revise it again. You guys can, listen to that lectures again and again for your quick revision also. So please complete your syllabus properly. Still you guys are having time. It is of no use to just check the one shot where, things are not explained in detail. Still we have time. We can complete our syllabus properly. Okay, so start practicing question as much as you can, and do hit the like button. Do subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel, and if you are a dropper, I posted a 1-minute short video for all of you. Do check the shorts, right? So because I feel that droppers, they generally make few mistakes, and because of that, they mess up in their paper. So do check that. Okay, do check that, and do put a comment, bache, that you liked the session, you loved it, whatever is there in your head, do let me know. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned.